What's up, you guys? This here is my 8-week update. I was supposed to do like 2 weeks, but I figured 8 weeks would be better to show length. This is where I'm at. This middle one here broke like 2 days ago. I was trying to pick up a rock. Shouldn't have been doing that with no gloves. This one here is probably the only one that hasn't broken completely, but I do really rough work for a living, so yeah, my nails get all jacked up. But my thumbs usually don't stay this long or in this shape, but they're actually growing. And these are my pinkies, so everything's pretty long. I stopped doing the garlic. I just do the maximum growth and maybe whatever nail polish I want to do, and the miracle nail is what I put on top. But if you guys want to see the whole thing, you can check out my video before this. It'll make more sense. I also just rub my hands with this nail therapy. I also use coconut oil for my cuticles. This is what I'm doing at the moment. It's just coconut oil, just to maintain it from this point on, since they're already really long. I want to keep growing them, but I don't know if, like, you know, working and stuff will, you know, make it harder, because they are getting really long. But yeah, this is what I do. I just rub my cuticles. You guys can really see a lot more in detail in the video before this. This is really just coming back in to show you guys the growth. But yeah, they're pretty long. I don't do anything else that's special. I just really cut down on the garlic. I did that for like the first 3 weeks, and then yeah, kind of slow down with it. I know my hands are really oily, but it is what it is. Make sure you rub your hands, keep moisture in there, because you know we show age from our hands and our necks. Okay, so then I'll take the nail therapy, put a little bit of that, then I massage it in really quick. And guys, honestly, the way to retaining this length is just to put nail polish on and, you know, be mindful. Don't use your nails as tools and so on and so forth. Make sure you're staying on top of that. But yeah, simple stuff. I know this video is going to be really short, but there's really not much I can tell you guys besides length retention, which is just being careful and keep nail polish on. I just kind of wipe the tops just a little bit so they're not too oily, because that coconut oil really, you know, is oily. Alright, but this is my length, you guys. This is up close, be able to see what I'm working with. They are pretty long. And if you want to clean the insides a lot easier, just get a toothbrush and do that. But yeah. Okay guys, and I always try to keep my nails in like a box shape. So yeah, box shapes seem to not break my nails as easy. I also don't file them as often. Whenever I take out my nail polish, I do though, because I keep my nail polish on for like maybe 4 days at this point, because I don't need to do this thing daily. But it's just little touches, you know. And also try not to overfile them. And it really sucks when one breaks, because, you know, it kind of jeopardizes the rest of them being so short. Like when you go to pick things up, you know, these could snap. But hey, it is what it is. Just gotta be more careful. I shouldn't have picked up that rock, but it's too late now. Alright guys, that's that. Nothing special there, just fast cooking in a hurry. Okay, this is the maximum nail growth from Sally Hansen. Again, it's in the first video. If you guys want to see more in-depth stuff, you can on that next video. And this is me just getting it done and having to, you know, go on about my day. I'm not really picky about like not getting nail polish on my skin and stuff, because eventually when you wash your hands, do dishes or whatever, it'll come off. But then also another tip, you guys, I think I said in my last video, but just to remind you, be careful with water. Like, don't let your hands sit in water, because what happens is it softens them, and you don't want them to be soft. They're soft, they break a lot easier. Like I was carrying like a really heavy rock for this one to break. And the other one's just chipped because I wasn't wearing my gloves. So wear gloves if you're gonna do any like outside work or lifting things. You know, even in the gym, if you want to wear gloves, it would be better. But just be mindful and careful. And then I also still go underneath my nails just to make it just stronger, you know, extra strength. Helps them not snap and stuff. But again, more details in the video before this one. This one is really just an update to show you guys. I just move on to the color. This is a green color that I'm using today. The last video I did red, but I'm wanting to attract more money, so I figured start with the green. Yeah, see, I'm not the best nail painter on myself, but shit, it gets the job done. Okay guys, so I'm all done painting, and yeah, I just put a little glitter on there, and I know it's kind of messy, but it is what it is. I take this Miracle Nail, and I also found this at a dollar store. That's the only place I know where to get it. I also had somebody leave a comment on my last video, and to kind of give, like, you know, what she does for her nail growth. Oh, I should let that dry a bit. Yeah, somebody did leave a comment of what she does for her nail growth, and I'm gonna try it out. So y'all stay tuned for my next videos. I'm trying to grow my nails really long, like maybe double this length if I can, and not, you know, be too rough and break them. The problem is, like, you guys can see how I'm painting my nails. I'm just, yeah, like, I really don't care. I don't know how to explain it. It is what it is. My fingers, my nails. But I'm gonna try to get them long, even though this middle finger here is starting from scratch, but it's okay. See, already rough. Already checked that one up. Yeah, but remember to use a glass nail file, and make sure you're moisturizing your nails. And you want to do this at least every 2 to 3 days. Like, you take the nail polish off and do it if you want to see full results. They have instructions here in the back anyway. So yeah guys, but that is pretty much it. My length, I'm actually liking how fast my nails are growing. Do need to be a little bit more careful, but they're strong and we're getting through this. So yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Tschüss.